Have a headache or muscle pain? We've got you covered. I have 2 kids, and they're always accident prone. Always hurting themselves one way or another. Or you have been dealing with crazy kids all week and have a headache of your own. There's a first aid kit that is all natural and will not have you running to conventional products, causing rashes and other side effects. Twig Pedal has come up with a first aid kit that has all your essential needs for your natural pharmacy. There are 5 products that will help you save the day. First is the headache relief roller. You place it either on your temples or all the way across the hairline to give you natural relief. Second is the pain relief roller. It can be applied to the affected area or on top of the toes. The third is first aid salve. Apply to the affected area and reapply later. Fourth is pain relief balm. Apply deeply into the affected area and apply more later if needed. Fifth is trauma oil. Apply it to bruises, cuts, scrapes, or burns. All right, you're probably thinking to yourself, this sounds kind of sketchy. Twig Pedal handcrafts and produces all their product in small batches, ensuring high quality. Their essential oils are made from wild plants growing in their natural habitats. The plants are selectively sourced and harvested to the extraction and distilling process to bring the very best. Strongest healing power comes from the strongest plants. If natural healing is what you're looking for, make sure you click on the link below and start protecting your family now. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more on the natural way of life.